Hi, my name is Angie Fisher, and I am a drug and alcohol counselor in Billings, Montana. And my experience in learning research is mainly a lot of the courses that I've taken in college in my bachelor degree. I haven't done a whole lot of research. A lot of the research that I get now is currently provided to me. Um, I've thought about the question before recording about what would make research fun, learning research fun. And I thought that it would be fun if it was something that I was interested, topics that I would be interested in learning more about. That would make it fun as long as it's something that I'm interested in. And after looking at the syllabus, what I think will excite me about this course and so far is learning more about Excel because I'm not very knowledgeable in Excel, so I'm really excited to learn more about Excel. Nice to meet everybody, and I'm excited to work with everyone. Thanks for watching.